Talaiki, aka Akaebenezer, a Pamo striker from the camp, one of the boys who is very, very closer to him, Gunshot, Ababe, confirming this particular news.
Mekakusi say, but the striker, I come back to Enkrine. Yes, but the striker, I come back to Enkrine. I say, and I'm not striker, you know, on year 1, on year 2, on year 3. And now, your money chances are, but you keep repeating the oil. To 1, mommy feel say you want to go back. 2, and mommy feel say, 1, you should go for food, be a gym from 1 thing. Now, your chin of a cousin.
Videos of striker a trendy now all bread just so you could see say no what Danny junkie I come a deno Akaebenezer and in the team reach out matches on flying into Kumasi shall see a treatino just need to skit back to back. He started looking good because no the DE or Shenta the pa MOBI praise Akaebenezer. And as you see, you can take a boy out of the ghetto. Now, so you can't take the ghetto out of him. And also, according to Gunshot in a confirmed news, no, also striker has been misbehaving. Now, you know, as we speak to you, Omoneno Ejai, he has been sacked back to Accra, Onkotua Sebi, and a junkie level. And I say, just uncle back to the ghetto. So, dear Emma Akaebenezer and a Gunshot, the boy, a Pamo striker, and he say, according to Gunshot's own narrative, now this guy, striker, or Bokrono, just all the sika, dema, na we are, just you know, or Bokrono, we are Akaebenezer. I know, and a match as Ojina Soa, or my Pamono, Edine Free Kumase, as we speak to you now. Now, in addition, no, and Yakrono, Kwana Nobo, or sign so a Drũğs, he, when Yasika, no, Akoto, no, a she, a CJ. Unjai, a tramon, no, bo, benelin, natchez or ye be, and also, and almost say, chess or mon pass, they don't want any trouble, and I'm a pamon if you come and see a new Cassadi, just a call back to Accra. And the man question narration, Akaebenezer, a back Gunshot, edit 2 out, Emra, Jane Quine.
The thing, and say, see, no, apostle me Jimu, in Sargene. Into my gym. Now Mekakusi say, but the striker I come back to Enkrine. Yes, but the striker I come back to Enkrine. Though Mankofano and flee in a family home, Mekofano I will get to. But later I went to the family to let them know say Omode share no my hobby. Mami Pachona is striker, mommy. Okay. Striker and okay, me so. Nia, no, me striker, but you name in China. on say since ebe fa ne ko Kumasi nyane nti na busuani bia anka ahu busuani bia e ma ye nche anase nya ko bia so e bia striker na nani na striker busuani bi nti yenso ya dwene hu se nipa de enye den a ono so wo busua aha na ene ye se ne striker nyina beba na ya behwehwe na busuafo na ya ma mahunu se sisi no ye nchen e na owo because ayefa bibia asase de nenso nipa de yemfa na asase de otiase nti na mekofa no na me ne ti no na etwase o se etwase me de no ko kire abusuan ma abusuan hunu se aye me na me ne ti ampa mekofa striker e de no e baaye betena me nchen nti yomu ana me ese da bi menim wabusuani bia otiase nti no we have to go and see your family for them to know say oh me ho ebia to me no me hu ni say me ye ne mmoa and so out of mmoa na mu boni betimi aba boni ba busuani ba busa o say o ba ye ho abesiro bi afiri ho ye ni mo ntisa na tede a wo wi aye de hye no e bi mpe bi o metim de wa ye de e de wagina Jacoba and say we all know striker yeah nipa bebre ni striker because of the movie Omoye Beast of No Nation years ago, I think 10 years or something ago. Yeah. And a lot of people know striker from that angle. Now, striker you lie. Into one time. And then the videos, I shall say, pop it up. So I saw this video on TikTok, and I may say, baby, this boy don't deserve this. Now, one thing I need to pay you when I say, Yankopon adebia o ebia ba ya ne akwa nipa ne yente ne mebia se na sometimes yente nyame ase nipa ne bi bebre ebre omo ene pe no mo bre anase omo ne ni mo bre na se what I say. So me who striker no TikTok na boy we in deserve this kind of lifestyle because such a great actor a whole of a movie why a movie made the movie na very just say boy no talent so I will say me call hwehwe boy nti me name mpanifo esi ho konya we Dr. Likey and me am braba ko guda Mahmudu Mahmudu guda big up yourself say bro say ni nti na we say me tu hwana mo and me tu car pa from Kumasi to Nkran. Now me could Drũğs kind on that there was a lot of people about strike and chain. Now the tini obi oba ni chain biano eba be pen news and ana ako atiase. So me de na me motive yes me boa boy ni no me could Drũğs hono me ne di nkomo ebusa no adwuma opese wo ye na nka me fa ne de enkotum say opese wo sliding into a car so be so slide am say okay any onpe nearby sliding shop ni bi omumbusa ho asem na menene nkoni nkutu ni tinsa.
So yes, once again, you can take a boy out of the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of him. Just say, one vanity and juma. Oma Koshen, they said this lifestyle there. You are not independent yet. You are working under Akaebenezer, aka Dr. Likey, and to behave and wanti and ya pamono. Adolfo, ne humpo nye nkrofo mobo, indicating say ne own behavior and all this wa ama one konenim and hinder the progress. Until well, you monitor the story keenly. Any